There's an interesting correlation that we noticed as we were going through, and we actually left you a place right here to just circle the number of times you see the word love, and you can put it in the space there, but just to make note of the lessons of love that are taught in John chapter 13 through 18. And as we went through there, we found another interesting parallel there. It's interesting because many years ago, when my friend Nish and I had just started becoming friends, we were talking a lot about what was similar about our beliefs and what was different. And one day we started talking about why we keep the commandments. And she was like, why do you keep the commandments? And I started thinking about it, and I was like, yeah, why do I keep the commandments? And in my mind, I was trying to think, for sure I feel an increase in the spirit when I keep the commandments. And some of the commandments I keep because it allows me to go into the temple, and so I kind of was processing through each of those things. And as I was thinking about it, I was like, well, why do you keep the commandments? And just she answered so quickly, out of love. I keep the commandments out of love for Jesus Christ. And I was like, that is such a simple answer, and also true of me. But I don't know that I had ever simplified it to that degree. And as you go through here, not only will you notice the word love mentioned a number of times, but also the word commandment is mentioned. And you might want to watch for why would keeping the commandments have to do with how we love? Why would that be a parallel there? And what do we learn from that? And one thing that I want to think about as we look back to this washing of the feet is some people might have looked at that, even Peter, when he talked to Christ, as an inconvenience or as something he maybe didn't really want to do. It was some of that was probably hard. It was a lot of work. It was required an effort, an ongoing effort. He probably had to clean the pot for every single person if their feet were going to be cleaned. And you just watch the routine and the logistics of what was happening there, and it was inconvenient. It was a lot of repetition. It was a lot of just showing